Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can fix your TikTok creator font not showing. So at first go to TikTok, then go to your profile, then tap on these three dots here, then go to settings and privacy. After that scroll down until it says report a problem. From there go to creator tools and then click on other and then say need more help. From there simply type in hey TikTok, I don't have the creator font option in my phone. I meet all the requirements and I would love to get it. Please review my account and get me the option and then press submit. Once you do, within the next 24 hours your account is going to be reviewed and that option will automatically be added. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.